Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to find or post a job on Facebook. This feature is very important for the businesses to grow and for the people to find the job that they're interested in. So for finding or posting a job on Facebook, first of all, go to Facebook app. Now you have to tap on menu. Simply tap on pages. Then all you have to do is search for the job. For example, I'm searching for job vacancies available. You can see here so many posts related to the vacancies appear. You can apply to the one that you're interested in. If you're trying to post a job, then you can also create a post about the job that you offer. Just create a post with necessary details. And that's how you find or post a job on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.